Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Hey everyone! Mother's Day is just around the corner. So for today's project idea, we're going to make this super easy but really cute sign for Mother's Day. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to get things to stick to wood. So for today's project, I'm going to be using permanent vinyl, and I've prepped my wood by sanding and staining it. My vinyl for today's project is longer than the standard 12-inch mat. I could go out and buy the 24-inch, but if you don't feel like doing that, I'll show you a little trick that you can do. Just slice off the tails in design space, and then cut them off with your scissors so that each piece can have its own transfer paper. Next, just grab your scraper and stick down your transfer paper to your design. One little trick that I like to do is just take a pencil and mark where the center is of my design. Then I use a Post-it note and I place it in the middle of my board or whatever it is I'm sticking my picture onto. This helps me line it up so that it's perfectly centered every time. Once you're happy with the placement, just remove the Post-it note and grab your scraper to adhere your vinyl really good to the wood. Because my design was too long and I took off the little swirls that go on the end of grandkids, all we have to do is just grab them and stick them back where they go. And there you have it, our design is done. All I have to do now is just add on the clips and wrap it up. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.